Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off all the background processes, background applications in Windows 10. So you can see my system has 37 background processes running all the time whenever I turn on the computer, which I don't want. So what you need to do, simply go ahead and click on this menu button here and type background. You can simply say you get background apps, click on it. You can also go to settings and then privacy and then look for background, which is here at the very bottom, background apps. And you simply have to turn it off from here. If you want to go ahead and customize one by one, you can customize applications that run in the background from here. If you want to turn off completely, go ahead and turn off from here, and then you will have to restart your system to see the changes. So that's it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.